Hello everyone, welcome to an academy. Let's crack it. Yes, so today I have come to inform you about an academy Aspire. What is this an academy Aspire? It's an all India free mock test for civil service aspirant. So for UPSC CAC Prelims 2020 paper 1. So it takes place every month 10th and 25th. So exciting prizes and scholarships are available for top 50 rankers. So this month 25th September 10 a.m. we have a Aspire and please do enroll for that. And we also have Unacademy UPSC Championship 2.0. So it's an all India free mock test series. UPSC for UPSC Prelims 2020 to 21 paper GS, paper 1 and GS. So based on this, the UPSC toppers will be, having a chance to meet the top Unacademy educators, and then they get Unacademy subscription scholarships. And we have been successfully, attending all these mock tests. And this month also we have it on 27th September. So please do enroll it. And about me, so many would have met me in my classes, special classes, and YouTube classes. Yes, I'm Subha Kirtana. So, about me, I'm basically an engineer and I have a 4 years of teaching experience in terms of civil services, TNPSC, and also I have an experience in teaching for NEET. And I have mentored more than 100 students, and after coming to an academy, it has crossed 1,000. Per class, I'm meeting minimum of 500 students. And I am an anthropology faculty too. So my classes are really going good in terms of optional channel too. So teaching experience in NEET is something I have in addition, and this is my Telegram channel's link. So it's an open channel. So go to the Telegram and search for Unacademy underscore and my name Subha Kirtana. So you get the Telegram channel, and also to Unacademy platform you can use this link or go to the Unacademy and search for my name, the same R Subha Kirtana. You can go to my classes. So do visit my special classes. They are all free, they are all recorded, will definitely be helpful for your preliminary examination because I have chosen every topic that will be very helpful. Important data to be remembered in modern India, important data to be remembered in environment, important concepts covered through MCQs in economics, important and very crucial data for polity are all covered in my special classes. Please do visit my Unacademy platform's profile and do search for the special classes. So you can just go for the plus platform and there you have the special classes. Fine. And only 10 days left. So you should complete your preparation for UPSC CSE 2020 effectively with an academy. How can you do that? So you do one subscription and you get unlimited benefits. You get, you can learn live from your home, unlimited access to all the courses. You can interact with top educators, regular doubt clearing session, live test series. Even we have this live quiz, which is very interesting and effective. Answer writing sessions, mentorship and guidance are all present, and it's really effective. And one-stop solution for complete UPSC preparation because they cover almost, the perfect demand of UPSC. You have 100% syllabus coverage, vast range of optionals, and then late night as well as 2 year batches are there. Batches in Hindi, English, bilingual batches, and then it's properly structured sectional quizzes. You also have interview preparation process here. You can just sit in your home, have your health for yourself, take your time, relax, and prepare effectively. The preparation comes along with the strategy and effective process. So that you can get here. And this is the complete preparation of batch course. It is starting on 28th of September 2020. You can see three major courses. Mission UPSC CSE 2021. It's a bilingual course. UPSC CSE 2021 Hindi course you have, and also Expedition UPSC CSE 2021 for English. Fine. So you can choose, according to your convenience, like which language you are comfortable with, and you can choose your course. It starts on 28th September. Enroll soon. Why? Because there is going to be a hike very soon. So I want you to enroll very soon so that you get a, you know, the price which is available now. And unlimited, and you have ultimate revision booster prelims batch course. So for this ultimate revision booster, you are bilingual and English also. You can enroll now. The duration is from 5th to 30th September of 2020. Free live classes are present, and you also have sectional quizzes. And you can subscribe now, get 10 percentage of extra off. I give you my code SUBA. The first half of my name, SUBA. You just see here. So when you are subscribing, use my code, you get a 10 percentage of offer. See, 10 percentage of offer if offer is applied, and from that you get the 10 percentage of offer. And for 12 months and 24 months you have a no cost EMI. And one more thing I would like to tell you is, like, you have a T20 daily current affairs test series 2020. See, 20 questions, 20 minutes, so 40 marks, and you also have the test analysis there daily 7:30 p.m. It's like very effective because current affairs are the most important part of your UPSC preparation. Most of the question comes from the current affairs. They go to the root of current affairs. So unless and until you have a grip over current affairs, it will be really, really tough in your preparation process. That if you do on a daily basis in a very small, content, it will be really helpful and really effective. And this is about plus and iconic. So I always tell you people, if you are preparing new, you are starting your preparation, or you have been in the preparation but you're not sure what is lagging in your preparation process, then you should definitely go for iconic, because you get both in class support and you also get out of class support. That is, you have a personal coach, daily mains answer writing session, study planner, and personalized feedback. Because many people miss this. They prepare and they don't have daily mains answer writing session, and even when they clear prelims they really struggle a lot. This you have to start from the first day of preparation itself. For that, iconic is the best option, and you can use my code for this and you get a discount here, 10 percentage of offer. It's a really, really good thing. And you also have a no cost EMI. So no cost EMI will help you a lot in this fee payment. And for plus also, you can my code SUBA Suba and you get a 10 percentage. In plus you only get the in class support. In iconic you get out of class support also, like not just the classes. You get a personal coach, someone who can help you with your preparation process. Yes, yes. So thank you so much. Let's crack it. Yes, we are going to crack UPSC. I wish every one of you all the best. I wish every one of your name to be present on the UPSC CSE toppers list. Okay, expect, I have very good faith that if you prepare effectively, everyone can crack it. So let's crack it, and thank you so much. So like this video, share this video, let everybody know what is happening and what is good for the preparation. And use my code SUBA Suba, you will get a 10 percentage of discount. Okay, thank you so much. All the best. Do enroll for Aspire and use all those benefits. Thank you. Thank you so much.